When people say they can't see anything good in you, hug them and say life is too difficult for the blind. This is an anonymous, daring gangster quote. And it means that despite certain people may not see anything good in you, it doesn't mean that there's nothing good in you. It means they don't have the brain to think and discover what is good in you. Because every man, every woman was born with something good inside. So the blindness that the quote is talking about is the mental blindness. So if somebody tells you, I don't see anything good in you, reply, after hugging, that life is difficult for a blind person. Thank you.
Lately you've been searching for a darker place to hide.